Hello everyone. Let us learn the third primary rule of interpretation, that is the golden rule. It is known as the golden rule because it solves all the problems of the interpretation. This rule says that to start with we shall go by the literal rule. However, if the interpretation given by the literal rule leads to absurdity, ambiguity or injustice, then in such events the literal meaning shall be discarded and the interpretation shall be done in such a manner that the purpose of the legislation is fulfilled. This rule suggests that the consequences and effects of interpretation deserve a lot more importance because they are the clues of the true meaning of the words used by the legislature and its intention. At times, while applying this rule, the interpretation may be done entirely opposite of the literal rule, but it shall be justified because of the golden rule. The presumption here is that the legislature does not intend certain objects. Thus, any such interpretation which leads to unintended objects shall be rejected. This rule is also known as modifying rule. This rule was originated in the case Gray vs. Pearson in the year 1857. There are two approaches to interpret golden rule. First one is narrow approach, when words or phrases are capable of more than one literal meaning. This allows the judge to apply the meaning that avoids absurdity. The second is broad approach, when there is only one literal meaning, but applying that one literal meaning could cause an absurdity. Under this approach, the court will modify the meaning to avoid absurdity.